We are coming to the end of the Module 2 lecture, and these are the final slides. So we have seen the Fisher's exact test for calculating enrichment p-value for defined gene list, and GSEA Wilcox-Sum rank-sum test for computing p-value for ranked gene list. So the recipe for defined gene list is define your gene list and your background, select your pathways, and run your enrichment test, correct for multiple hypothesis testing, and interpret your results. Very similar for the rank list. Rank your genes, select your pathway, run your enrichment test, correct for multiple testing, and interpret your results. So we have not covered everything during this lecture, especially we haven't talked much about the correlation between gene set and other types of tools which use the pathway topology into account. More modern tools include new simple network visualization as an output format in addition to tables. Our last two tips to finish this lecture: be precise at each step of your analysis and try to answer one biological question at a time. Here is a reference to a video done by StatQuest if you want to better understand the FDR. They say that the real observed p-value is a mix of the true results indicated in blue, mixed up with a random result represented as a uniform p-value distribution in red, and the FDR method should be able to distinguish them. If you still need to learn more about the Fisher's exact test, I would recommend this other video from StatQuest. So in this example, they use a bag of M&M, and all M&Ms in the bag represent the background and contain all the genes. And the different colors represent the different pathways, and we draw randomly 8 M&Ms from the bag, and 7 are blue and 1 is red. And this represents a gene list, and we think that the blue pathway is enriched in our gene list, and the p-value is probably close to 0. So this is the end of this lecture. It's time to get hands-on, and then we will do 2 practical labs, one with GSEA and the other one with GProfilers. So there is like a notebook with all the instruction that you can follow step by step.